On Thursday morning, 62-year-old Sarah Gosayed had just dropped off her grandson at school, the routine before heading to the market. But this day was far from usual.
People around me were running and screaming. I was there to buy milk and Chinese dates, and I started to run to the roadside following the others. I don't remember how I fell. I found my arm was broken after I got up. A hand taxi driver came and offered to help me get into his car, and I caught my daughter in the taxi.
What happened in a flash caught her and everyone else off guard. An explosion went off just before 8 a.m. in downtown Urumqi, just 2 streets away from a government building. Witnesses say 2 SUVs coming from the north rammed through iron barriers right into the crowd.
The 2 SUVs speeded straight ahead, one after the other. I was thinking, this is not good, something is happening. I turned around and started to run, and I heard the blast, 2 bangs.
Assailants had threw explosives out of the window. The SUVs stopped in their tracks. One of the vehicles then exploded, resulting in huge casualties.
People were lying on the ground. Most of them were elderly.
79-year-old Tian Junfeng was one of the afflicted. He's been living in the community near the market for 16 years. Many of the victims were the familiar faces of his neighbors.
We usually go to the market in the morning for vegetables. There were a lot of people there. Nobody ever expected something like this could happen. The first blast was right in front of me and set off the flames. I didn't realize what was happening. When I woke up, a car was on me. I felt it was over, so I struggled to crawl out. There was a woman near my right arm. When I was trying to leave, I heard another 2 bangs.
According to the hospital, most of the wounded had to be treated for bone fractures from the blast. But the gruesome damage hurt more than just bodies and cut into the soul of the community.
Most of the injured are in stable condition and mood. We've also had our hospital psychologists begin counseling.
As the city begins to pick up the pieces in an attempt to restore normalcy, the physical, mental, and emotional scars have only just begun to haunt them. 聂甲 CCTV